Hey guys, welcome back to Axolotl Pasheen, and today I'll be making a rainbow paper airplane, and it's gonna look like this. So let's get started. We're gonna need some water paints, water, and paintbrush, and paper, obviously. If you want, you can have a paint marker. It is optional. It's just for decoration. And let's get started. We're gonna start with some red paint, and we're gonna start at the top. And I'm actually gonna pause the video. And then you're gonna take your you're gonna do one more line of red just to get it juicy. And then you're gonna take your orange and you will start painting with that. But you're gonna try to make it go up, but make sure it's pretty light. So like make sure you have some water in it so it's like light. That way it will look like it is blended. And you're just gonna keep on doing that until it looks just like the red. And that way it looks kind of blended. It almost looks like a sunset. And it's okay if your paper is really floppy, because there'll be a step for that too. And then we're just gonna do the same thing with yellow. Just gonna go up with it and kind of make it look like it is blended. I'm gonna pause the video for that too. Now it really looks like a sunset. The way all the colors blend together. It's really beautiful. And now, same with green. And there's the part that breaks up the sunset. Now, you don't really know what it looks like. I mean, it kind of looks like a sunset, but at the same time, it doesn't. Anyway, same for blue. You know how it goes. And now it actually looks like a rainbow. But we just have one more color left, which is purple. Now that's a beautiful rainbow. And now it's so floppy, we have to let it dry. So we're gonna do it for like, I don't know, 5 minutes or more. Just when it's like drier. And I actually don't know how long it takes, but just let it dry. Okay, it's dried. It's been about 30 minutes. And this is the rainbow side. And so you're gonna turn it to the white side. And you are gonna turn it like this. And fold it in half. Fold it hot dog style. Rainbow hot dog. Open it up. Usual. Fold the corners to the line. Then you're gonna fold it back like this. Make sure you got a sharp corner. And just gonna line this up. Then you will fold it again, just like fold it down. So it should be like this. Then you're going to do that same thing on the same side, just like that. Then it should be like this, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold it down like that. And fold it down again. Like this. Then open it up. And there you have it, a rainbow airplane. And then I'm going to decorate mine with my whitemarker. Let's write something here. I'm going to write X O hush E. Now I'm going to draw a YouTube sign. Just like that. Perfect. Let's draw some hearts. Can you guys hear that stream back there? It's pretty big. Oh, and don't mind the background sounds. There. And now you have it, your rainbow airplane. Oh, and you guys, if you want to decorate it, you can. You don't have to have a white paint marker. You can absolutely have any marker you like. And it's done. That's it. It's rainbow airplane. Anyway, I hope you guys liked today's video. Please like and subscribe. You don't have to. Only do it if you like this video. Anyway, bye guys!